what are these guidelines, why these guidelines, and why did you think of going around Goa, meeting stakeholders, because you are one bureaucrat whom I know, who has traveled across Goa, met different stakeholders, and finally you have come up with this. So let's start with that. Why this?
Yeah, firstly, thank you for calling me here. Why these guidelines? Because if there is any business that is happening in a state, there has to be some sort of a rules and regulations to it. Earlier we had an SOP as to how the aggregators can operate in the state of Goa. But as you can see that wherever you go in India or across the world, in many cities, app-based taxis are a matter of convenience. But even today, we are not able to solve that problem. So we wanted to consult taxi drivers, understand what their concerns are, and also listen from the public what their issues are, and then try to solve this problem for the state of Goa. And that's why, with a broad set of consultations, we have come up with this transport aggregator guidelines.